Unit 8.
Ancient. Ancient is an adjective. If something is ancient, it is very old or early in history. The fossil remains are ancient. Now you say the word ancient. Ancient.
Climate. Climate is a noun. The climate of an area is the usual weather condition. I don't like the moist, hot climate. Now you say the word climate. Climate.
Cling. Cling is a verb. To cling is to hold on firmly, to have a strong attachment to or feeling for something or someone. As a child, I used to cling to my mother. Now you say the word cling. Cling.
Custom. Custom is a noun. If something is a custom, it is the way people do things year after year. Eating turkey is a custom celebrated by many people on Thanksgiving. Now you say the word custom. Custom.
Decay. Decay is a verb. To decay is to slowly decline or fall into ruin. The salt water caused the dock to decay. Now you say the word decay. Decay. Decay is a noun. If something is in decay, it is in slow decline or it is wearing away. Go to the dentist twice a year to avoid tooth decay. Now you say the word decay.
Disturb. Disturb is a verb. To disturb is to make upset or uneasy. We try not to disturb their sleep. Now you say the word disturb. Disturb.
Expose. Expose is a verb. To expose something is to uncover or open to view or to make something known. I promise not to expose their secrets. Now you say the word expose. Expose. Perform. Perform is a verb. To perform is to carry out a task or to act or entertain. We were asked to perform the play on Wednesday. Now you say the word perform. Perform.
Remote. Remote is an adjective. If something is remote, it is far removed in distance or time, or out of the way. We drove to a remote cabin in the woods. Now you say the word remote. Remote. Timid. Timid is an adjective. If someone is timid, he or she lacks courage or confidence. I was too timid to talk to the new teacher. Now you say the word timid. Timid.